Hey guys, I'm Janelle, known as Nail Gun Nelly on all my socials, and I am here to show you how we transformed this bathroom into this beautiful, luxurious black tile shower. This bathroom used to be very white, and it was white subway tile with a bathtub, and we completely demoed it, threw back this back wall, and made a new shower pan. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you all the steps I took in order to transform this shower tub combo into just a shower with a new shower pan, blew out this back wall and retiled everything. I will show you step by step on how we did it. Drop any questions in the comments below, and you can check out all of the sources for everything we used for this bathroom renovation in the description. So I am using redguard to water, like as a waterproofing membrane. So now I'm just going to do my long strips and my corner. So this is the Schluter system, and they have pre-cut pieces, if I can get it open. That is a pre-made corner. So basically I'm going to fit this in here. So first, I'm just cleaning all the dust off of this. I'm pretty sure Schluter actually says to use mortar to secure this, but Grandpa Rich said I could use redguard, and it's a lot easier in my opinion. And so basically I'm just going to paint redguard onto the corners, and it's going to act essentially like a glue, and it also is waterproof. So once I have that down, you don't want it super thick, but you want it enough so that it'll stick to it. But you're also going to apply a coat to this piece as well. And then we'll lay it on top. Okay, so I have it coated on one side and a coat there. So you're going to be able to move it around a bit, but you basically just make sure that that corner is up, and you're going to want to work your way out because you don't want any bubbles. And you get it in place, and then basically paint it down. Now I did this back piece already that I kept attached to my shower pan. And so this is this same material that I've already put down with the redguard. Oops. And then I'm going to next do a piece for here. Okay. Oh, Kevin Bacon, for sure. I bet he wants me on his podcast, doesn't he? So these are strips of this same waterproofing membrane. I'm going to overlap it here and then just cut it to size. And essentially we're going to be doing the exact same thing. So basically, I did the wrong side. I'm just going to paint this side. Okay, so now I am going to fold it and get it right up to the edge, and then just kind of really push it in the crease. Make sure you have it good there. And then Hello? Yes. Okay. I will be there. Okay, bye-bye. And I just got called in to the hospital. So this is going to have to wait. But I am going to need to finish this portion. Okay, I need to stop. So, how was that? Okay, for the corners, we have these long strips, and you can see there's like a line because they're pre-bent. So they form into the corner, and I'm going to put them on the same way that I put the bottom pieces. So cut it to length, and you can just use normal scissors. And I'm going to start at the top, paint on the redguard. So I also coated the back of this, and I'm just going to put it up at the top. If you see it bubbling, you can kind of just put a little, it's probably just because there's not enough underneath. You basically want to make sure there is enough, and then push it down, and then come over the top with more redguard. But just really make sure that portion's in first, and then you can smooth out the rest. The back of the strip as well, especially the edges, just so that it makes this process way quicker. Okay, so now that I have it all coated, I'm gonna finish pushing more, and then we're gonna go out, making sure there's no seams coming out. To the shower pan, and then I cut part of the shower pan, but I pulled this membrane up first so that I could keep essentially this intact. And I'm just making sure it folds all the way down, and this will all get tiled. On top of. So for this, we are now all waterproofed. Next step is the shower drain. So I have all the corners red guarded, Schluter in place, and then we use the Schluter shower pan. So when you have the Schluter shower pan, it comes with this cutout for the drain, and then you have to purchase the actual drain separate. And when you do, it actually comes with this, which goes around your shower head pipe. So I'm going to put this on next. And then this one I'm not going to be able to use, but it's if you had a round faucet, but mine's square. And so, or like a bath spout, you could use this. So I don't need that one. But what we're going to do is lay this. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. We have a raised foundation. So down in this hole, let's see. You can see down there, maybe you can. That is the ground down there. Oops, I zoomed in. And so that's all of our PEX plumbing. It's probably like 2 feet. I know that Chad can easily sit under there. And so because of that, since we are able to access our plumbing after the fact, we can install this drain now. If we had to have the plumbing done first, we would need to lay this, have the plumbing hooked up and then have it ready. But because we have a raised foundation, we can access everything underneath. So we're going to put this in place. And all you do, you can see there's a little lip here. It's about the depth of my finger. And you can see that this is bigger than my finger. And so that allows the mortar, because the mortar I'm going to just put in here, and then I'm going to push this in. So let's do that. I got ready to use pre-mixed because of that exact reason. It's easy and ready to use. So I'm kind of just coating it first. It has all these holes, so you can push it in and it'll squeeze out, and then we will clean it. I'm going to just pop this in where it has to go. I don't think I put enough because it's not squeezing out yet. We got to put more. So I'm going to pick this up again. See, you're not going to mess it up. Okay, let's try this again. See, that's what I was like, why isn't it doing that? God, I wish I had gloves, but I don't. Oh well. So I just am making sure anywhere that is higher than this, that I push down more and scrape, because the Schluter is already set to make the shower drain that way. Okay, I need to wash my hands and then come check this again. Okay, let's see if we got this set right after we washed our hands. I think so. I mean, it's about all I can do. So once this dries, we will apply this. So this was put in last night with mortar. So now I am just going to do the same thing that I've been doing with all of this. And I am going to paint this outside ledge with redguard. And I'm going to do the same thing to the round circle that will go right on top. And then once you have it there, you're basically going to lay it in the little indentation. And then do the same thing. Okay. And now we're going to let this dry. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and be sure to subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments below, and you can check out all of the sources for everything we used for this bathroom renovation in the description below. Be sure to tune in tomorrow when I drop the next video in this series where I show you the process of tiling the shower pan along with tiling the shower walls in these black tiles. Like always, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you then.